Well, what if instead of being given the value of theta and finding the trig function, we are given the trig function and we need to figure out what the value of theta is? That is what this question is actually asking. I want to find out all the values of theta on the interval between 0 and 360 where the sine of theta is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. Let's break this down. I know that the sine of theta is negative square root of 3 over 2, and therefore, since sine is y over r, y is negative square root of 3, r is 2, and because I'm trying to figure out what my triangle, what angle value I'm actually looking at, I kind of think I'm going towards, well, what is x? So if I want to know what x equals, I can find that using y and r. X is going to be the square root of r squared minus y squared. So it would be 2 squared minus negative square roots of 3 squared, all into the radical. So 2 squared is 4 minus the square root of 3 squared is just 3. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. So let me draw this picture. If I know x is 1, y is the square root of 3, and r is 2, then I'm looking at a 60-degree angle here. That's the reference angle that I'm going to use. Now I'm going to go draw my picture, and I'm going to place this 60-degree angle where the sine of my function is negative. Remember that sine is negative down here in quadrant 3 and in quadrant 4. So if this is quadrant 3, then I would have 180 plus 60 giving me 240 degrees. And if I'm over here in quadrant 3, then that would be 360 minus 60, or in other words, 300 degrees. So when theta, here's my answer over here, when theta is 240 and 300 degrees, the sine of those angles is negative square root of 3 over 2.